How to read anyone instantly. 7 psychological tips. Have you ever wished you could read people's thoughts and emotions as easily as reading a book? Well, you might not be able to do that, but with these 7 psychological tips, you can learn how to read anyone instantly. Tip number 1. Pay attention to body language. Body language can reveal a lot about a person's mood, attitude, and intentions. Pay attention to their posture, facial expressions, gestures, and eye movements. For example, crossed arms might indicate defensiveness or discomfort, while a smile and direct eye contact could mean they're open and friendly. Tip number 2. Listen carefully to tone of voice. The tone of someone's voice can also provide clues about their emotions and intentions. For example, a monotone voice might indicate boredom or disinterest, while a high-pitched voice might indicate excitement or anxiety. Pay attention to changes in tone and volume to understand what someone is really feeling. Tip number 3. Look for micro-expressions. Micro-expressions are fleeting facial expressions that can reveal a person's true emotions, even if they're trying to hide them. For example, a quick furrow of the brow might indicate confusion or skepticism, while a slight lip curl might indicate disgust. Look for these subtle cues to get a better understanding of what someone is really feeling. Tip number 4. Observe their environment. People's surroundings can also provide clues about their personality and mindset. For example, a messy workspace might indicate disorganization or a lack of attention to detail, while a clean and organized space might indicate a more structured and disciplined approach to work. Tip number 5. Ask open-ended questions. Asking open-ended questions can help you get a better understanding of someone's thoughts and feelings. Instead of asking yes or no questions, try asking questions that encourage people to share more information about themselves. For example, what do you think about X? Or, can you tell me more about Y? Tip number 6. Use empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share someone else's emotions. By putting yourself in someone else's shoes, you can better understand their perspective and motivations. This can help you read people more accurately and make better decisions about how to interact with them. Tip number 7. Pay attention to context. Finally, it's important to pay attention to the context in which you're interacting with someone. Someone might act differently in a professional setting than they would in a social setting. Pay attention to the social norms and expectations of the situation to get a better understanding of how someone might be feeling or what they might be thinking. By using these 7 psychological tips, you can become more skilled at reading people and understanding their thoughts and emotions. Remember, it takes practice and patience to develop these skills, but the payoff can be invaluable in both your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great